In this situation of crisis, it is our responsibility to keep others around us safe. Sanitization has become an important part for everyone and should be easily available. To keep a country's economy moving, people are going to work, and going out without face mask and sanitizer can help in spreading the virus. There are common contact points for people such as door handles, stair railings, elevator buttons, and even vehicles. Having to take out the sanitizer to use it becomes time consuming, and people then tend to ignore it. To help solve this issue, a group has been working on a product called Indipro. It is a wearable sanitizer band which can sanitize your hands and surrounding objects with just a push. The band is worn on the wrist with the product facing the palm, and the user then uses the other hand to push the cartridge to spray the sanitizer. Each cartridge can be sprayed up to 250 times before being refilled again.